the lower side, lower. Like I'm like cramped. You got time like normally when I'm like working or working with little shows like a lot of standing up. Then I'm just fan, but normally it's like cramping and stuff. So I can't sit down like for long or drive for like long hours. Long hours.
Para muitos vão ter que subir aquele discomfort pain orang sa ano ba
Yes, yeah, this is the side.
Okay. Sila ni pain lot. No, no sila. Sila ni pain there lot.
Oh yeah, love it.
So now you can hear if you pain.
Yeah.
But people lot and you know.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, oh.
There's no more free than it is.
Yeah.
I'm not tight, not too short, with short leg.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
No.
No, I don't want pain.
Yeah.
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 Anything else? Yeah. No, yeah.
Hey, mommy ringing.
Not. Leah too.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
And worse. Leah.
Yes.
Okay,
Go
Leah.
to the, yes. Go to the area.
Okay, yeah too.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Sorry, yeah. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, yeah.
Oh, wow.
And go as now.
Yeah, and on top again.
And what's up?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we're attention to
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
And go as. Yeah.
Yes.
We would have pressed all say through this in pain.
Not really.
Not really.
Not,
Not feeling pain then. Feeling pain then.
oh, yes.
Liam pain. So that's where the short leg you got Liam. Because it's a joint pain. But that's like another joint Liam. Yeah?
Yes.
So which one in pain worse? This side?
This side.
Not this left?
This too, but not really
Not
that
really.
painful.
Okay. On this end, you got both the side to this one side of the side. Always find it really stressing, yeah?
Oh,
It's not stress. Release. Good. Good. And relax. Film 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and nice. Okay.
yes, more lighter.
4, 3, 2, 1, and
Like, very light.
That's it. I just learned how to toast me now. How's it?
I've never had pain of
First you feel pain there.
Yeah, pain of it. Now only this leg, like hamstring, but
Okay.
it's normal.
Kan straight, maar ik ben verder. Als je bent wel later, is het niet pain there.
Yeah.
Je bent wel later, maar niet. How is it?
It's okay. There's no pain here.
Okay, nu ben ik op weg naar hem.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, I can. Now we can go through. Thank you. Oh, wow. I feel more lighter than before. So, yeah,
Hopefully now.
more free after this. Oh, I've been having this like for some months now. Last year, May leading up. So, it's feels good. After my delivery, childbirth, even got strong pain, backache especially. But now I feel I'm a bit lighter, more lighter, I'd say, not a bit. Thank you, yeah. Thank you so much.
Okay. Guys, I'm here with this patient right now. Basically, we will go through physical checkup and the pain low, upper thoracic, mid thoracic, spine, both the surgery, disconsent, and yeah, she referred for upper body adjustment. We're just making an analysis, feeling okay. So, sorry, what's immediate adjustment, let me know. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.